Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of 5 new trends in portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler. First up, we have the rise of smartphone integration. Now, you can use your smartphone to connect to the fetal Doppler, making it even more convenient and user-friendly. Secondly, we're seeing a surge in the use of artificial intelligence. This technology is helping to enhance the accuracy and reliability of the device, ensuring you get the most accurate readings possible. Thirdly, we're witnessing a shift towards more compact and portable designs. These devices are becoming smaller and lighter, making them easier to carry around and use on the go. Fourthly, we're seeing a rise in the use of cloud-based storage. This allows you to store and access your data from anywhere, giving you more control over your health information. Lastly, we're seeing an increase in the use of wearable technology. These devices are becoming more advanced, allowing for more accurate and detailed readings. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found these 5 new trends in portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler interesting and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.